Here's all the ingredients. For the Cajun sauce, melt some butter in a pan. Next, saute the garlic for a few minutes. Stir until it's golden brown. Add the cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, thyme leaves, paprika, dried oregano, and ground black pepper. Next, add the soy sauce. Stir until well combined. Add the mussels or tahong. Let's now add the crabs. Add 1/4 cup of seafood stock or water. Add 1/4 cup of sugar. Sprinkle some salt. After that, let's now add sweet corn. Let's now add the squid. Toss carefully to coat each piece with the Cajun sauce. I'm going to add the shrimp. I'll keep mixing it. I will cook it until 3 minutes. Do not overcook the seafood or it will turn rubby and tough. And it's done! Remove the fan from the heat and transfer to a serving plate. Thank you for watching! Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.